Hello students, welcome to Fun and Learn with Pauline Joseph. Today we are going to learn about subject and predicate. Let's understand what is a subject and a predicate. A sentence consists of two parts named subject and predicate. And the subject is the naming part of a sentence. For example, the rabbit, Arun, he, she, etc. Predicate is the telling part of a sentence. For example, danced gracefully, is going to the market, etc. Subject may be a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase. For example, Rakesh, we, they, the black, beautiful horse, etc. The predicate may be a verb or a verb phrase. For example, danced gracefully, danced with ease, etc. Let's learn more about subject and predicate. Subject is the who or what we are talking about in a sentence. For example, the fox laughed sheepishly. The question is, who laughed sheepishly? Here, the answer is the fox. So, it is the who or what we are talking in that particular sentence. Predicate is what the subject is or does. The fox laughed sheepishly. What did the fox do? Laughed sheepishly. So, laughed sheepishly is the predicate of that sentence, which tells us what the subject did. Subject usually comes before the predicate. The subject in questions or exclamations may be in the middle. Hello students, here are some tips and tricks for you to identify a subject and predicate in a sentence. Ask who or what to the sentence is about. The answer is the subject. Ask what is or are the subject doing. The answer is the predicate. It's time for us to apply the tips and tricks which we learn. The sentence here is, a bird is sitting on a tree. Let's ask what to the sentence. What is sitting on a tree? The answer is a bird. So here, a bird is the subject of this sentence. Now, let's ask what to the subject. What is the bird doing? Is sitting on a tree is the answer, which is the predicate of this sentence. Hello kids, here are some more samples for you to practice. The children are playing in front of the school. Who are playing in front of the school? The children. Here, the word the children is the subject of this particular sentence. What are the children doing? The children are playing in front of the school. So here, are playing in front of the school is the predicate of this sentence. Anil and Sunil are playing with a football. Who are playing with a football? Anil and Sunil. It is the subject of this particular sentence. What are Anil and Sunil doing? Are playing with a football. Are playing with a football is the predicate of this sentence. We can conclude that the doer of the action in a sentence is called the subject of that sentence. The action performed by the subject followed by the rest of the words in a sentence is the predicate of a sentence. Let's see more samples to understand subject and predicate. Anita is running a race. Who is running a race? Anita. Anita is the subject of this sentence. What is Anita doing? Is running a race. Is running a race is the predicate of this sentence. The hungry lion is chasing a deer. Who is chasing a deer? The hungry lion. The hungry lion is the subject of this sentence. What is the lion doing? He is chasing a deer. He is chasing a deer is the predicate of this sentence. The funny clown made the people laugh. Who made the people laugh? The funny clown. The funny clown is the subject of this sentence. What did the funny clown do? Made the people laugh. Made the people laugh is the predicate of this sentence. The angry dog chased the cat. Who chased the cat? The angry dog. The angry dog is the subject of this sentence. What did the angry dog do? Chase the cat. Chase the cat is the predicate of this sentence. Students, I hope from this video you understood the concept of subject and predicate. Thank you students for your cooperation. Till we meet with another video, it's a bye from me. Take care. See you.